Streamline your operations from quote to delivery. Discover how OPS360 simplifies order management, quoting, fulfillment, and shipping, all in one powerful platform. Click on the Order Management. Click on the dashboard to view real-time insights into your business performance. View the order dashboard details. Access broader time period settings. Analyze quarterly trends to identify patterns and growth opportunities. Manage all your customer quotes in one centralized location. Review quotes still being finalized before sending to customers. Track quotes already delivered and awaiting customer response. Identify time-sensitive quotes requiring immediate follow-up. Celebrate wins. See which quotes turned into confirmed orders. View complete quote pipeline across all stages. Create a professional quote in minutes. Begin building your quote. Search for your customer. Automatically populate customer details to save time. Return to quotes overview. Open a specific quote for detailed review. Check out the details and also you can update. View complete quote details with instant download and action options. Manage your entire order pipeline effortlessly. Open order details to see everything at a glance. Please check the details. Check the details. Initiate fulfillment to get products moving to customers. Configure shipment details for accurate delivery. Exit shipment creation. Return to orders module. Quickly create orders to accelerate your sales process. Fill the details. View orders list. Access navigation. Open settings menu. Define tax rates to ensure compliance and accurate pricing. Check details of tax providers and also the tax rates. Configure shipping rules to optimize delivery costs and speed. Set up flexible payment options for customer convenience. Integrate carrier services for seamless shipping automation. Access core system configurations. Customize order numbering to match your internal processes. Open the General tab to configure your store's core order settings, numbering rules, and approval preferences. Choose the fulfillment methods your customers can use and configure pricing, payment, and store currency preferences. Select how customers should receive notifications for each order event, including confirmations, payments, deliveries, and cancellations. Switch to the Promo Codes tab to create and manage promotional discounts available at checkout. Click Add Promo Code to create a new discount code for your customers. Enter the required promotion details, including the code, discount type, value, spending limits, expiry date, and usage rules. After reviewing the promotion details, click Save to publish the new promo code. Use the Edit option to modify an existing promo code whenever you need to update its settings. Update the required promotion details and adjust the discount settings to match your latest campaign requirements. Click Save to apply your changes and update the promo code successfully. Return to General Settings. Manage fulfillment workflows for faster order processing. Configure fulfillment rules when ready. Set up return policies to handle exceptions gracefully. Define return reasons for better insights and quality control. Configure batch dispatching to streamline warehouse operations. Set up batch rules as your volume grows. Customize shipping settings for optimal delivery performance. Configure shipping preferences when needed. Review returns configuration one more time. Transform your order operations today. You've seen how OPS360 eliminates complexity. Ready to boost efficiency and delight customers? Let's make it happen together.